If you're looking for the best jump starters for cars in cold weather, you're in the right place. Cold temperatures can kill your battery fast, and being stuck with a dead car in winter is never fun. In this video, we'll cover 5 of the best portable jump starters that deliver strong starting power, safety features, and extra emergency tools to keep you moving even in freezing conditions. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Anflag 10-in-1 8000A Jump Starter. The Anflag 8000A Jump Starter takes our top spot thanks to its massive power and all-in-one design. With an 8000A peak current, it can start all gas engines and up to 14.0L diesel engines, even when the battery is completely dead. The force start function makes it especially reliable in extreme winter conditions. It also includes a 160 PSI cordless tire inflator, 600 lumen LED emergency light, 26,800 mAh power bank, 65W fast charging, and a 160 mAh output for car accessories. Add 12 safety protections and insulated gloves, and you've got one of the most complete roadside tools available. Number 2. 10-in-1 5000A Jump Starter H6. Next is the 10-in-1 5000A Jump Starter, a powerful yet compact option. It delivers up to 6000A peak power with a force start function, capable of starting all gas engines and up to 10L diesel engines in temperatures as low as 4 degrees Celsius. This model also features an 800 lumen LED light, smart digital tire inflator, fast charging for phones and laptops, and a long standby time. Its honeycomb thermal design improves heat dissipation and overall safety. Number 3. CZKBG 10-in-1 3500A Jump Starter. The CZKBG 10-in-1 Jump Starter is another solid all-rounder built for reliability. Despite its compact size, it offers up to 6,000A peak output and can start all gas and up to 10L diesel engines, even with a completely drained battery. You also get a 160 PSI smart air compressor, 800 lumen emergency lighting, fast charging power bank features, and 13 built-in safety protections, making it a dependable winter companion. Number 4. 8000A 206-800A Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Coming in at number 4 is the 8000A 2060-800 mAh Jump Starter, designed for heavy-duty use. With 8000A peak current, it can start all gas engines and up to 16.0L diesel engines, including trucks, RVs, and boats. It's built to perform in extreme temperatures from 4 degrees UF to 140 degrees Celsius. The smart digital display shows real-time tire pressure and battery status, while the 150 PSI air compressor makes quick work of flat tires. Number 5. DB Power 5000A Jump Starter. Rounding out the list is the DB Power 5000A Jump Starter, a simple and reliable option. It can start 12V vehicles up to 10.0L gas and 8.0L diesel engines, even in cold weather, and delivers up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. It also includes dual USB fast charging, a 500 lumen LED flashlight, and multiple safety protections inside a rugged, weather-resistant body. That wraps up our list of the Aero 5 best jump starters for cars in cold weather. No matter your budget or driving needs, one of these options will keep you prepared for winter emergencies. All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos every day. Thanks for watching.